Nidge, as the microphone here.
Hi LoneWolf, this is Nidge Tucker from Tuckerzone. To ask you a few questions from your subscribers.
Okay.
Firstly, I'll start with my question. What is your favourite song of all time?
My favourite song of all time, I think, it has to be We Are the World. First followed by In the Ghetto, sort of songs like that. Yeah. There's another song that's up here, but I can't think of the name of the group at the moment. Hanston. I like their new one. Yeah, I can't remember the name of that one, but yeah.
Here are some questions from your YouTube friends and subscribers. Sandy and Linda Johnson asked, what are your favourite drinks?
Favourite drinks? I'm rather fond of Pepsi Max. I like the caffeine Coke as well, you know, the gold tin. But I think I drink too many Diet Pepsi and stuff. I like Buxton as well.
What's your favourite food?
Favourite food? My favourite food is chicken. I think the cleaner and the leaner the best.
What's your favourite colour? And what colour do you like to wear?
Favourite colour? I think everyone's got a favourite colour, and I think everyone's favourite colour is probably black. I like black. Hang on. Part of my outfit. If I can find them. It's my 68 comeback drum. That's part of it. And catty old jeans. Okay. Rough back.
Kurt Arnold asked,
Hello Kurt. Good friend.
what's your favourite gospel tune?
My favourite gospel tune, The Unbroken Circle, without a doubt. And I really love Amazing Grace as well. Yeah, that one.
And Steve Tucker, he asked, how long do you take to learn a set for a show?
Right, Steve Tucker. Well, it depends really. If there's any part of the song I don't like, then I will work at that. But I do tend to get to the stage where you work it too much and you start to get a little bit, you know, so... the first lot I did, I think it was about 8 weeks, and that was to learn 60 songs, and that went from day one right up till day end, and this was like the Elvis set.
Katie Jones, I think it's Jones, she wants to know what your shoe size is.
Shoe size 9.
Mandy Trent, black denim or blue?
I don't know really. I like the pale denim. I've got these rubbish. Yeah. Black denim's okay. I'm not really fussed really, but I like the pale ones. Yeah. Both.
Peter Tanner asks, what's the hardest song you've ever had to sing and why?
The hardest song I've ever sung was For Old Time's Sake. Yeah, and probably My Boy. Them two are about hardest ones. For obvious reasons.
Sally Jones asked, you on the market?
On the market, how can I put this? I don't think I want to be on the market, to be quite honest. But I'm not married anymore, and yeah, market.
Angela Stevenson asked, are you single?
Yes, I'm single.
Mike Price asked, you like fruity?
Fruity? Do I like fruity? Right, do I stay in today? If that's supposed to be, do you like fruit? Yeah, I love fruit. I'll eat any sort. Me and the cubs used to have a very big thing about mangoes. Yeah, we literally tear into pineapple as well. Kiwi's not too bad. I like all the basics, you know, apples, oranges and stuff like that. Yeah, I mean I can eat fruit that comes out my ears basically.
Sarah Pierce asked, how long would it take to get to Gateshead?
I don't know, about 3 hours. Why? 3 hours to get to Gateshead.
Kirsty Dove asked, hey, you remember me? Emma Love asked, do you like long walks?
Do I like long walks? Do I like long walks? Why, your car broke down? Yeah, I suppose so. I mean, yeah, it does. I think Blue, he's going to be the one that's going to like the long walks. He's not with me at the moment. He's in the doghouse. No. Yeah, I don't mind. Years ago, during the war, yeah, I did quite a bit of walking, and yeah, it's nice because what you see around when you're out.
If so, want to join me?
Do I want to join you on the walk? So does that mean I've got to walk to Gateshead or something?
Dave Tuppett asked, I heard your song Teardrops. Do you have others? And what made you write the song? And can I say, I did enjoy it, so well.
Thank you very much for that. Dave Tuppett. Teardrops. Yeah. I wrote that quite a while ago actually, and basically it was about part of my life I was going through at the time. And if you just listen to the words in it, what's the point of proving your love if even that goes wrong, basically. Yeah, that's the reason why I wrote it, because that was it. What's the point of proving your love if even that goes wrong? Yeah, that's not the only one I wrote. I wrote loads as well, so I might be doing them at one point, so stay tuned for that. I don't only do covers, I do my own stuff, but there you go.
Lisa Jones asked, love the Any Day Now video. Whose idea? Where was it done? Tell me all.
Any Day Now video? Yeah, me and Tan, I got in touch with Tan because I liked his drawings, and I asked if he could draw pictures of the pub, so I put them in the video. We filmed that at a big picnic park near the M20. I can't remember which junction, but yeah, it's one of these places where I used to take the cubs quite a bit, and yeah, it's a lovely place, and I just wanted to do it to see how much they'd grown from the first one, basically. I mean, I've changed from the first one, obviously, but yeah, it's like the next step in life for the children. It's just different now.
Sam Greaves asked, I love your eyes. Sorry, just had to mail that.
Yeah, I like my eyes too. If I didn't have them, I wouldn't be able to see. Faint sympathy.
Sheila Hunt, when you're coming on the States, honey?
I don't know. How about a week from next Thursday? Coming to the States, yeah. Okay.
Get yourself over there if I were you alone. Cassie Smith. You were so silly to waste all them years, but what was the best thing you had or got out of it when you were doing the show My Way Again? How's the ferret? Do you still like rock cakes? And can you blow me a kiss? That's Cassie Smith, blow her a kiss.
Smith, you're a pain in the rock cakes, yeah, well, you know. Yeah, ferret's alright, he's okay. I am doing a show down your way March next year. So if you want to sort of inbox me or whatever, then I'll give you the date and time and stuff. Yeah, everything's alright. As I say, so you've got your kit anyway, cheap. If I missed anything, sorry, because it's all going up round here. But yeah, cool. Thanks.
Hi Wolf. I hope that each day brings you closer to being with your little cubs again. You know what? You have touched me deeply. I so want to reach out and hug you big time. My heart breaks for you. You are just such a great guy with a big heart. I can tell you that by the way you talk to your friends here. I do have a few questions for your question answer field. Feel free not to answer all of them. I never want to intrude upon someone's personal life. That's being said, I love the name LoneWolf, and my question is, how did you come up with that name? Another question, when did your love of Elvis happen? Did your mum and dad love him too? One more, you're an amazing vocals. You have an amazing vocal. Is this natural or have you taken voice lessons? Well, just know that I care for you very much. God bless you and send you new love. Take care, sweetie. Remember, I am here for you if you need to talk. Your friend, Debbie.
Oh, thanks. My name, LoneWolf, yeah, I think I did inbox that. So yeah, you know, that's what you know. Basically, first part of my name is that the wolf part was sent in a dream actually, and I went somewhere, spoke to someone, and I was told that the wolf was my spirit guide. So yeah, the two went together. The love of Elvis. When I was very young, I always remember family playing the records, and there was something about that just got my ear, and then seeing him on the TV with his moves and stuff used to make me look and think, I actually know I do that, you know. Yeah. So Elvis has always been there in the background. I mean, I do like a lot of music. My field of music is very wide. I like Aerosmith. I like ZZ Top. I like, you name it. There's not a lot I don't like. I like Jessie J. I like Katy Perry. You know, anything that I hear the first time and wow, that's it. I'm on that one. Yeah, anything really. Thanks for your mail message thing. Yeah, brilliant. And as for my mum and dad, they liked all the old 60s stuff, you know, like the Britpop, whatever you call it. I mean, that was before my time anyway. But yeah, my father's very much into the big singers like Tom Jones, Neil Burt. My mum likes Westlife, and you know, it varies a lot. Thanks for your question, and that was very kind of you and stuff. Thanks.
That was all from Debbie. Okay. PS, PS. I think this is a PS. I do have one confession too. How do you make steak pie, and is it like chicken pot pie?
How do you make steak pie? Go to www.howdoimakesteakpie.com because I ain't got a clue.
Luffy, my friend, don't be late for dinner. Your channel, Heart to Heart. Do you have a good recipe for steak pie?
Yeah, try the website address I give you just a minute ago.
This is from Len Strong from Newport. How long have you been singing? Why did you start? Can you say hi to my wife Sharon?
Hello Sharon from Newport. I started singing a very long time ago when I was a little boy, and I started singing to the song Loving You, and it went from there. And as for someone saying about my voice, I've had no lessons whatsoever, and sometimes it shows. I screw up in my recording sometimes, I get mad with myself. If you used to hear some of the outtakes what I've got on this laptop of mine, you lot would be rolling up. You're never going to hear them. Only a few.
Shelley Davidson, I think it's Shell Davidson, sorry. Shell Davidson asked, who's been your rock over the past 3 months with the personal stuff you're going through?
Hello Shell. Who's been my rock? Well, I suppose it's whoever Danny's with. But yeah, and my family as well. Bob. And my jeans.
Jamie Potts. Will you be doing another show in Guildford? As you were well great, and thank you for the scarf.
That's okay, Jamie. I was quite surprised at such a young person enjoying that era of music. So yeah, I'm quite touched to know that the memory of Elvis is going down through the younger ages, which is very good. And as for Guildford, I think it's probably I think it might be June next year. I've got about 7 dates over that way, so yeah, just keep peeled. You can inbox me on my channel anyway, so you know I can always give you the dates like that.
I think that's it. I think I've asked all the questions for your question and answer. This has been Tuckerzone doing a question and answer for LoneWolf. Have a nice one, Lone. Bye.
Cheers, Midge. You're a star, mate. Thanks to everyone that sent questions and stuff. I've still got other questions in my mailbox, actually. So, to the people that have asked for duets and stuff, yes. If you want a duet, I'm more than happy to help. Just send me what you want to do and I'll have a look and we'll work something out. Okay, well, thanks so much. I've got to go because I've got a lot to do. And there's not enough hours in the day. And this cat, he's need more sleep. Bye-bye.